Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we are going to be removing all the wireless zones in the panel because it gives me an E8 error when I try booting the system. And after it's done booting, then it goes back to the E8 error. And I searched it up, and it means there are too many wireless zones programmed. And I need to reprogram all of them anyway because, I'm installing this in my house and all the zones are not accurate. So we're just going to delete all the wireless zones and see how many were programmed, actually. Because the seller that gave me all of this only gave me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zones. He only gave me 8 sensors, 2 glass break detectors, 2 motion detectors, 3 5816 door/window contacts, and a 5811. So we're going to see what actually was in the building. So here we go. So we're just going to skip right to zone 9. And by the way, this is field 56 in programming. This is the zone programming. There's nothing programmed for zone 9. Interesting. We're going to just do zone 10. Let's see. Okay, so this is zone type 1, which is an entry exit. Partition 1, of course. Report code, doesn't really matter. RF transmitter. I don't think I have this one. Let me look on my sensors real quick and see if any of the serial numbers match up. This one doesn't. This one doesn't. It's an entry exit, so it has to be a door contact. So, let's see. 32, 62, 14. Okay, so this sensor is for zone 10. So I'm guessing this was for the front door of the building. But yeah. I'm just gonna remove this zone because I don't need it right now. So we're just going to do 10. We're gonna go to the zone. We're going to remove it. Okay. Oh, that's right. I have to set it as unused. Okay, so we need to go to the zone type and set it as 0. Okay, zone disabled. Now we're going to delete it. Yes. Okay, now 11. Let's see what's in 11. So 11 is zone type 10, which is, I'm pretty sure, yes, it's interior with delay. So I'm guessing it's one of these motion sensors. So let's see. Okay, so partition 1, report code, RF transmitter. Okay, it starts with 18, so this one starts with 94, and my other one hopefully should say 18. Okay, this one starts with 18, 8275. Okay, perfect. That's this motion detector right here. So, we're just gonna go back. Actually, wait. Yeah, go back, back. Set it to 0. Okay. Delete the zone. Okay, zone 12 is not programmed. Interesting. Okay, so right now we have this motion detector deleted. And this wireless contact, I forgot which one it was. No, not that one. I think it was this one. This wireless contact that was deleted. So, oh no, it was the one with 32. Okay, so that one was deleted. Okay, so, yes, wait, pound, go back, 12. Oh, that's right, there is no zone programmed. Let's just delete it anyway. Okay, zone 13. Okay, this is another motion, interior with delay. Okay, partition 1, report code, RF transmitter, let's see. Okay, so it turns out that we have a third motion sensor that was not found in the building. So that's interesting. So we're just going to go back to back again, back again. Partition 1 will go back. Okay. We're going to delete the zone. Okay. So let's delete that. Zone 14. Okay. Zone type 3. This is a perimeter zone. One of the doors. Pretty sure it might be the 5811 or whatever it's called. Partition 1. Let's see what it is. Okay, so start again. Okay, it starts with a 79. This one is 92. Okay. Wait, which one's 79? This is number 1. What's this? 79. Okay, 2221. That's the same number. Pretty sure. Yes. Okay, so this one he found. Okay, so we're just gonna go back, 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 and delete it. Star 1. Okay, 15. Oh, it's another motion. Wow. Oh, it's with delay, so it's probably near a front door, you know, or a door of any kind. Report code. Let's see what it is. Maybe it's this one. All right, so that one's 94. This one's 94. Okay, so we have this one here. That one's been deleted, so let's delete it. Okay, 00, star 1. Okay, 16. Okay, it's zone type 4, interior fall. I forgot what that means. It might be one of these glass breaks. All right, so it's 23. That's 85. That's 97. So, I don't know what else this could be. Yeah, I don't have that sensor. I definitely don't. It's not one of the glass breaks. It's not one of the door contacts. So that's so far 2 zones that were unfound. Okay. Okay. Oh, go back. 16. Okay, let's delete it. Oops. Star 1. Okay, 17. Oh, zone type 3. Perimeter zone. Partition 1. Port code. RF transmitter. Okay, this one starts with 92. And my door contact right here starts with 92 and ends with the 4 numbers. This thing. So that one we're going to be deleting. So let's do that now. Okay, deleted. 18. It's another perimeter zone. Let's delete this as well. But first, of course, we got to see what it is. Okay, so it starts with 1. This one starts with 1, and it has the exact same 4 letters, or numbers, sorry. And, yeah, it's being deleted now, so that's only 2 sensors that are missing so far, so that's pretty good. 0, 0, star 1. Okay, 19. Ooh. Interior fall again. Partition 1. Port code. RF transmitter. Okay, this one's also 001. It has a different ending in 4 letters, though. Okay, that's 85. That's 97. So that means that I don't have this one either. Interior zone. That means it's another motion sensor. So we're missing another motion sensor. So that's 3 zones unfound, unfortunately. Yeah. So far 11 zones. That's cool. Yes, delete it. Okay, 20. Here we go. Oh, zone type 10. interior zone, partition, port code, RF transmitter. Okay, so this one has an 88. I don't think these are 88. That's 85. So that's another motion detector unfound. So that brings it up to 4 sensors unfound. So we're just gonna go back and delete it. Bruh, four freaking sensors. They freaking forgot about, bruh. Okay. It's fine though, because I have more sensors on the way. Okay. 21. Oh god, another perimeter zone. Okay. Okay, this is 97, so it's this glass break, as you can see. The same zone number, so that one's been deleted, so we'll put that over there. So we have 1 glass break remaining. So, let's delete it now. Perimeter zone 00 star 1. Okay, 22. Okay, this one's disabled. So, I'm not sure what the other glass break is programmed for. 23. Oh, there it is. Zone type 10. Interior with delay. That's 5 sensors probably. I think. 5 sensors. Yeah, that's the 5th one. Oh, come on, bro. Freaking 5 sensors. 5 sensors missing now. But now it's deleted. Okay, 24. Zone type 9. This is a fire zone? Yeah. Okay, so there was smoke detectors as well. Port code, RF trans. Yeah, so 22, that was a smoke detector, so that's 6 sensors unfound already. So we're just gonna go back. 00 star 1. That's gone now. So that's 5 in total, or 6 in total, sorry. Zone type 9 again, bro. Oh my gosh, that's another fire zone, so that's 7 sensors. Yeah. Oh my god. Okay. 26. Ooh, it's disabled. We're gonna go 27. Oh, also disabled. I think we might be fine. Okay, 28's disabled. 29's disabled. I'm just gonna go through all of them. 30 disabled, 31 disabled, 32 disabled, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, yeah, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. Oh, that's right. I programmed a carbon monoxide zone for fun. Oh, this is a motion detector. I also programmed alpha for it as well. So we'll just delete it. 56 is another one. Actually, no, it's not. I think it's like 59 or something. So we're just going to skip a bunch of these. Yep, there it is. 59. And we're just going to set the zone type to oh. As you can see, carbon monoxide zone. I don't want that anymore. Okay. Now we're just going to do 00, and we're going to exit programming. Now all these sensors have been removed from it. There were 7 sensors that were not included, which is 2 fire zones, 3 motion detectors, I think, and 2 door contacts. So, wow, that's actually quite a lot of zones that they forgot. But maybe they've just been gone that entire time. Maybe they just got rid of them before. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with this panel and stuff, but I have more sensors coming. You guys will see those in another video, probably around the 10th or 11th. But anyway, that was it. So thank you all for watching, and all these zones are gone. In another video, once I get everything ready. I will program zones back probably soon, probably within the next couple of days, maybe even tomorrow, I don't know. But yeah, see you all later. Bye.